In the enigmatic theatre of existence, where destinies are woven and stars dance in celestial choreography, there lies a narrative beyond the mundane. A tale not scripted by the ink of convention, but inked by the quill of unity itself. Behold, a story woven with threads of ambition, dreams, and the boundless symphony of the Divine Unicity. In this realm, where currencies flow like rivers and aspirations rise like mountains, the world economy is a canvas painted with strokes of interconnected brilliance. It's not just a marketplace of goods and services, but a pulsating heartbeat that echoes with the rhythm of collaboration, where destinies converge and partake in the eternal dance of give and take. Picture a village, nestled within the embrace of nature's bounty. Here, artisans and craftsmen, each a thread in the grand tapestry, breathe life into their creations. The Divine Unicity, like a weaver's delicate hand, threads these varied pieces together into a mosaic of shared sustenance. The farmer, nourished by the carpenter's shelter, reciprocates with the fruits of the earth. It's a symphony of symbiosis, a harmonious dance that transcends the realms of mere transactions. Amid the bustling hum of the global marketplace, where commodities traverse continents and ambitions stretch their wings, the Divine Unicity orchestrates a ballet of mutual interdependence. Investors, much like cosmic voyagers, align their capital with enterprises, recognizing that prosperity isn't solitary, but a chorus that echoes through society. Entrepreneurs, with their visions, become architects of change, crafting edifices of progress that impact not only their balance sheets, but the lives they touch. Envision a conference room, where the mighty wield their strategies and the calculated craft their moves. Here, the Divine Unicity is the silent participant, whispering its wisdom into boardroom discussions. Executives, tuned to its rhythm, embrace decisions that resonate with a deeper understanding of repercussions. Profit becomes a note within a symphony that resonates through communities, rippling like a pebble in a cosmic pond. In the world economy's symphony, the Divine Unicity casts its spell not as an erasure of individuality, but as an elevation of it. It's a call to transcend self-interest and embrace the vibrant tapestry of shared prosperity. Through its lens, competition metamorphoses into cooperation, scarcity into abundance, and division into unity. So, let us embark on a journey through the currency of this tale, a voyage that unearths the essence of the Divine Unicity's dance within the world economy. As we navigate the tides of exchange, let us remember that every transaction, every investment, and every venture are threads woven into the grand tapestry of existence, each stroke harmonizing with the Divine Unicity's eternal song of unity.